Good Tuesday morning, everyone. We continue to see that very moist tropical air flowing up off of the Gulf of Mexico and right across the Sun Coast. And again today, because of all that moisture in the atmosphere, any of the showers and storms that we do expect to see form around the Sun Coast today could put down a lot of rainfall in a very short amount of time. That's going to lead to drenching rains across the area. And because the ground is already saturated, we could see some localized flooding during the day today. Now, there are certainly parts of the Sun Coast that during the summer, even just with a regular thunderstorm, see standing water. And with the rainfall we expect to see today, we could see more of that standing water in those locations. If that happens to be over the roadways, don't drive through that. Be smart. Don't go through water, especially if you don't know how deep it is with your car at any point, because it doesn't take very much to send those vehicles floating. And also, if you have any standing or moving water on your property, don't let your kids play in that either. You never really know what's in floodwater, so probably a better idea not to let them go out in that during the day today as well. And again, because of the clouds and the showers, highs will be in the middle 80s across the Sun Coast. A little bit breezy later this afternoon possible as well. And all eyes remain on the tropics. Through the day yesterday and overnight last night, the system was able to get a little bit more organized out here. Notice how we're already having a blowup of convection here down between the Yucatan and Cuba. That's the area that we're watching for more potential organization through the day today. And if this system can get itself together, within the next couple of days, we may have a tropical depression or possibly even a tropical storm on our hands. Now, basically, the strength of it will help determine how windy it gets around the Sun Coast as this moves in our direction. But regardless of the strength, heavy rain will be the main impact from this particular system. It's going to slowly continue to drift off to the northeast, continuing to bring us the heavy rainfall through the day today and tomorrow, and it looks like Thursday is when the heaviest rain will be moving across the state as that system actually pulls on through. That's when we have the potential to maybe even need a flood watch in effect because of the heavy rain that we could possibly see. And then eventually we could see the breezy conditions as well if that system becomes strong enough. Again, we'll be keeping our eyes on this for you as we go throughout the next couple of days, but the potential is there for tropical development and more heavy rainfall as well, which is not good news for the beachgoers. Unfortunately, the forecast just isn't looking good for coastal areas over the next couple of days. Scattered showers and storms remain in the forecast, and if it does become breezy enough, we may have an elevated risk of rip currents, and it won't be a good idea to go into the waters anyway. Also for the boaters, conditions are expected to deteriorate as we go throughout the week. Today already, winds will be a little bit stronger than they were yesterday, generally out of the south-southeast at around 10 to 15 knots. And that should give us seas of about 2 to 4 feet today, with those scattered showers and thunderstorms possible out over the waters. And here's your 7-day forecast. Again, the heaviest rain potential appears to be on Thursday, but again, that will depend on the strength and the timing of the system, and we'll keep you up to date on the latest here at SNN Local News.